Suburban 5286A. With the purchase of Suburban's NAUTILUS on-demand RV water heater, you will begin saying goodbye to all that impatience you experience, waiting for the hot water to reheat in those conventional tanks. If continuously hot showers and baths, washing the dishes, and doing the laundry with an infinite supply of hot water whenever and wherever, simultaneously from every fixture, is what you want in a tankless water heater for recreational vehicle use, the Suburban 5286A is the perfect model. Here's why. For starters, there's no storage tank. By reducing the unnecessary weight and increasing efficiency, the 5286A only operates when you need hot water. Reliable NAUTILUS on-demand RV tankless water heaters uses a proprietary two-stage modulating combustion systems. Self-adjusting the gas input provides a consistent and endless supply of hot water, no matter how many points of entry require hot water at the same time. Weighing in at just 36 pounds, the 5286A comes with a vent assembly, standard freeze protection mechanisms, state-of-the-art 3-tri-direct spark ignition for safe and reliable operation, all neatly arranged in a footprint that measures 12.5 inches high by 12.5 inches wide by 20.5 inches deep. Warranty. Suburban offers a 2-year warranty with extension options. No registration of the product is required. Pros. Well-constructed, thick-walled body and wide circular ventilation system. Easy to use on and off switch, or upgrade to affordable, approximately $80, LED digital temperature control system. Innovative ventilation system. Cons. Send blasts of cold water through the shower in 7-minute intervals. Units have arrived with missing pieces and no instruction manual. Unreliable propane lighting mechanism.